If you feel stuck in your life in any level, this video is for you. Because I don't think people feel stuck just because they don't know what to do, but rather they feel stuck because they are thinking the same thoughts again and again. Just think, there might be one negative thoughts that cross your minds, and suddenly you start to replay it. You start to think about it. You start to realize that how it could have been different. You start to replay it 100 different ways, and then suddenly you realize that your whole days feels heavier. You feel like there is no way out now. I'm completely stuck. I have to do something. Like for me personally, when I was thinking about the ebook that I was creating, in the beginning, like before I did this one, the previous one, whenever I had planned to come up with any kind of resources, I would always think over a lot about what I have to create, how I have to create, and suddenly the thought would cross my mind, and that said me that there are already so many resources available. Why would anyone like your resources? And that's it, that becomes my negative point. And that's all, I start to get into this cycle of thinking over it, thinking that how could I make it better, or thinking that if I really put my all effort into it and people not really reading it or not really taking use of it, then what is the use? And without even my knowing, I spent like another 2 3 hours just overthinking over it, just researching over it, just saying that people are actually buying for it or actually are not looking for it. And at the end of the day, because I have spent almost 3 hours thinking over it, researching over it, replaying over it, my energy completely drains and I start to feel heavy. And that's it. That idea that I had got drops off. And I'm sure most of you also feel the same. I'm just giving you my experience about how one negative thought can affect your entire productivity. The same way, I'm sure it also same for you as well. Whenever one negative thought drops, you start to get into this cycle of replaying it, making it your own life, seeing your life from that perspective that, okay, this is it. I'm not able to go away from it or go beyond this. Now I have to either look for any kind of alternatives or just do something or just be in this rut, overthinking again and feeling such a bad way about yourself. And I know how does it feel. And this is the feeling where you feel like I'm just feeling stuck. I'm feeling stuck and I don't know where to go. But when I look at the entire thing, I realize that we still have a choice when we are in that situation. We still have a choice. And you have to believe this. When you are in that energy of feeling stuck, feeling like you have no way to go out, at that time, just try to realize that how much time you have spent over overthinking it. I'm sure most of the time it would be more than 20 minutes. We will never spend like 20 seconds or few seconds or few minutes on overthinking and feeling bad about us. It is like a building blocks, like you just keep on stacking things one over the other, and that's how you start to feel heavier, and that's how you start to feel you are worthless, you are you are of no use, you can't do anything, and you're just stuck there. And at that time, I just want you to bring your awareness to yourself. I know at that time nothing comes into your mind. The only thing that you feel is, I'm feeling stuck. But I have been trying this. I won't say that I never feel stuck. Every week I feel stuck. And now I have realized that what I could do better in order to come out of it. I can't change the situations in the right instant, but I can change the way my thoughts are. So what I usually do is I actually sit with that feeling of being worthless or being stuck, and I just breathe into it, like just taking a deep breath until my heart calms down, until my body calms down. Because when you are in this energy of being stuck, your body start to feel anxious. You can feel it in your body that it feels restless, and that's where you have to little ground it by breathing into it. If you have a ground, just keep your feet on the ground and just breathe into it and relax yourself for like 1 minute, and then just tell yourself that I have a choice to choose what I want to do. And at that time you might not be able to make any kind of a choice related to that situation, but apart from that there might be other things that you could do. Maybe have food, maybe go on a walk, maybe talk to your friend. Just focus on those things. I won't say ignore it, I won't say don't think about it. Just for a few minutes, keep it aside, keep that thought aside. That's it. Don't make it feel like it's no use or I'm going to ignore it, because ignoring doesn't solve the problem. So don't ignore it. Just keep it aside for a minute, because now you have grounded yourself. Now look for the things that you could do. Choose it. Be the person who can choose what you want. And when you do it, I'm sure you will be able to come out of it, because it has helped me, it has helped my clients. I always tell them, whenever you are, because we are humans and we are meant to feel stuck in most of the time of life. And if we are a people who are more into thinking what other people are thinking about us, or those kind of a stuff, then it is more like we are more tend to feel those kind of situations. And if not that you're thinking about others, but you're just thinking about you and the life that you are living, and the way you could have lived better if you have taken certain action, or what you have desired is not what you are right now, at that time as well you feel stuck. So in this situation as well, please try this and focus on choosing yourself over everything, because you are precious. Always remember that. And with this, I'm ending this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have taken something from this video, make sure to drop it in the comments. I would love to know your understanding or your realization as you were watching this video. And that was it for today. Thank you so much.